So I was showing you this Deccan Trap वाला रीजन, ठीक है. Tertiary period. चलो टर्शरी पे लिखिए. हिमालयस आर फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग दी टर्शरी पीरियड एंड द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ इंडिया केम इनटू बीइंग ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड ओनली. ठीक है, सारी चीजें अभी इस टाइम पे टर्शरी मोस्ट एक्टिव पार्ट था. देन क्वार्टरनरी पीरियड, फिफ्थ वन क्वार्टरनरी पीरियड. एक बार देख लो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ टर्शरी पीरियड. यू लुक हियर, साउथ ऑफ द हिमालयस, दिस पूर्वांचल वाला रीजन, ये वाला नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाला पार्ट. सो दिस इज द टर्शरी पीरियड. हियर ओनली फॉर्मेशन वाज टेकिंग प्लेस. Layers of parallel layers of mountain ranges of Himalayas were forming. So current state of India was also shifting towards the northern plain, ठीक है, towards the Eurasian plate. So this state came into being. Then last part is quaternary period, ठीक है, that is Pleistocene and recent. ठीक है, very recent deposits, fossils of species are found here. यहाँ पे क्या होंगे हमारे fossils होंगे, fossils of species. Then where it is found, you can find it Satluj, Ganga, Indo-Gangetic plain, where you can find this period, recent period, that is Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra plain. Satluj, Ganga, Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra plain. Also you write alluvial deposits at the valley of Tapi, Godavari and Krishna. Alluvial deposits at the valleys of Tapi river, Godavari, Krishna. Is it clear now? Indian geological system is also clear. What are the paths, what are the specific activities that happened during that time period, and different types of forms, landforms have formed during this period, right? So is it clear? Are you getting? Chalo, let's do the revision now for 5 minutes. What we did today, we did 2-3 things today, है ना? What we started with, Sobu, we started with what we did today, because my slides have been deleted, so I cannot show you. Note. Now you will have to remember. We did soil division, right? Bifurcation of soil with respect to the US department, US soil taxonomy. Can you name so 2-3? What were their names? Huh? Okay. Alphy soil. Nisha, what were the other names? Aridity soil. Huh? And tell me all the names. मोली सॉइल्स. ओके, नेम्स आर समझ में आ रहे हैं. नेम्स जरूर दिमाग में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी वर्ड कहीं पे पूछे तो ये ना हो कि दैट यू हैव नॉट हर्ड ओनली. ओके, सो उसके लिए दिस नेमिंग शुड बी क्लियर. देन व्हाट वी डिड निशा आफ्टर दिस सॉइल? National vegetation. What were the 5 major divisions? We bifurcated the natural vegetation of India into. Okay, so is the division clear to everyone? ठीक है, you will go home and look at the map. What type of species I have written? कौन कौन से plants मैंने बोले उनको आप जरूर image wise में जरूर देखना, इससे क्या और clarity आ जाएगी. Ronak, what is the geological time? How Indian rock system has been divided? What were the categories? पुराना, आर्यन. ठीक है, प्रज्ञा उसमें क्या bifurcation है एक बार सारे बता दो. आर्कियन में ओके, धारवाड़, कडप्पा, विंध्यान. हाँ, that is more important. Is it clear to everybody? Right? सारे bifurcations clear है? How we have divided? Okay. So do the revision. Read from the NCERT. Okay. This forest वाला part also you read from the NCERT because divisions is given. You history NCERT you have completed or not? So still you are completing. NCERT is still not complete. How many chapters you have done till now? It should be completed by now. अपनी तरफ से आप NCERT तो complete at least कर सकते हो ना? Which NCERT you are reading? Which class? Still in 9th, 10th only. You're very far. You should be on 11th. Then only your understanding will develop, na? Nick, which NCERT you are doing? Completed all? 11, 12th you have done? Completed? You just went through. You're not read. Achha, of 11, 10, 12th, have you read? How many times you have read of 11th? Only 2 times. Why 2 times only? You should read 3, 4 times. All the chapters are very important for the 11th and 12th. No, don't do multiple times of 11, 9, 10. Oh, that is once only. That you complete 5th to 6th, 7th, 8th, you do once only. Okay, don't do multiple reading of 6th, 7th and 8th. You do multiple revision of 11th and 12th. Getting 11th book 2, 3 times, 4 times till now, unless and until you understand that. Okay, 11th is very important. रौनक आप कौन सा पढ़ रहे हो अभी? NCERT पढ़ ली सारी? 11, 12 की भी कंप्लीट हो गई हैं? पक्का? चलो ठीक है. अपनी तरफ से नोट्स भी बनाए उसके? चलो ठीक है, गुड. प्रज्ञा? अच्छा, 11th वाले कर रहे हो अभी, 12th अभी. अच्छा, तो होपफुली इस मंथ में आप कोशिश करो कि एटलीस्ट मेरी NCERT इतना तो आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो ना. इतने 2 महीने हम पढ़े ज्योग्राफी, तो एटलीस्ट कंप्लीट ऑल योर NCERTs. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू क्लास एंड डू द रिविजन.